proof is always best in a malicious prosecution, so it's always best to record in a state when people are lying about you, so that way you can prove your conduct and the nature and the level of the extent that people are going to lie about you. And Mr. Garcia exhibited himself in the last hearing as very dangerous, as fabricating statements with no fact and no material evidence to support his claims, all to try to deprive my liberty for the state actors, Callali Bouvet and the malicious prosecutors. However, Mr. Garcia has not even looked at my case, or he would have known in 2 seconds that this was a malicious case. Check this out.
January 20th, 2017, waited for over 10 minutes for Michael Garcia to even enter the door, which, I mean, that's not way abnormal, but as soon as he came in, he was very caustic. You can look through it if you want. Okay. So, it's my right. There's nothing in there, so if you want to look through it, it's fine. There's nothing in here. I'm not leaving it. This is all. I don't want to show it to you. I can dump it out on the bench. I don't want to. So you're going to refuse to meet with me because I won't have my purse on me.
This gentleman have your purse receipt?
You're refusing to meet with me because I have my purse? Come on, Garcia. That's a violation of my rights.
That's what I'm asking. Do you trust this man with everything else? Have him watch your purse so we can have our meeting.
Are you kidding me? And you're going to properly represent me? No, sir, I'm not. Okay, now you're not going to have a meeting with me if I take my wallet in. There is nothing in here. Mr. Garcia has now slammed the door on her face because I'm taking my wallet in. My wallet, just a wallet. No, I don't. This is illegal. This is misrepresentation of my rights. No, this is a wallet, William. Mr. Garcia slammed the door on her face, and I gave William my purse and walked in with my wallet. I'm trying to take just my wallet into the meeting, and he will not even let me bring my wallet in. There's no recording device, nothing, in my wallet. And then he says he's going to properly represent me. This is my wallet. And today is January 20th, 2017, and Mr. Garcia won't even provide us any of the affidavits for that there's even a case. No sworn affidavits, no bank affidavits, no Michael Franti affidavits, no even a arrest warrant. This guy is saying he won't meet with me now because I'm bringing in my purse to the meeting. That's illegal. This is all while we're walking out of the door. Oh, yeah. That's dangerous. Don't worry, I recorded it. That is
So Mr. Garcia was running back and forth in the room. He was very caustic, and slammed the door on our face. And he refused to even discuss with me or talk to me. I gave my purse and my phone to another gentleman that he told me that I had to give it to. And then I asked to take my wallet, just, my wallet with identifying information. And Mr. Garcia refused to meet with me Friday, January 20th, 2017, all because I wanted to take my wallet in and I wanted a contract. I agreed to not putting this on social media, but he did not agree to that. Yet remind you, at the last hearing, Mr. Garcia was the one saying I threatened him in phone messages in court, and he was trying to get me put away for being dangerous to self and others for saying that I threatened him in messages. I never threatened him, not once, ever. And I put those messages on the social media, YouTube, to prove to everybody the extreme violation of my rights and the extreme lying of these actors. I mean, it's bafflingly caustic and peril. I cannot even believe these guys went to law school and they are this childish. I mean, he literally ran to his office, slammed the door in my face because I was right there. I was sitting still the entire time as he's running around the office, frantic and belligerent. So this guy is noted to forced to represent me by the judge. I mean, how's he going to represent me? The trial's March 6th. He won't even serve the subpoenas. Won't even talk to me because of a purse and a wallet. I mean, yeah, he doesn't want to do the recordings, but he doesn't have to. He can sign a contract and still have it and not have him on YouTube until the case is over. And he still fails that. Watch, listen to the next message. So I gave it some time, let him calm down, figured I'll call him back, and maybe he can be calm and stabilized.
January 20th, 2017.
Hi, Mike. This is Dr. Woodick. Hey, I wanted to know, since Colorado's a one-party consent state, and being that you was a one-party consent state, are you agreeing to recording it and not putting it on mass media? And then I don't mind having...
So
was my attorney today. I asked to record and make up a contract to not put anything on the social medias, and he hung up on me. And that was Michael Garcia, my attorney. Very caustic and uncooperative.
So how do you get anything done, and how do you get justice and proper representation when your attorney refuses to even have a cordial conversation like an adult? Mind you, I was wired and the recorder was on my body, and he did not demand a strip search. I did pass over my purse and my phone to the gentleman he demanded had to be in keeping of it. However, when have you ever gone to another attorney's appointment or a doctor's appointment or anywhere and they tell you can't have your purse or your wallet with you? I have never been to any of them. In fact, I've been to a lot of attorneys lately and had my recorder right there present, and not a one of them told me they wouldn't speak with me. And this, mind you, this was our first meeting. Mr. Garcia was appointed December 22nd, 2017 or 16, and then withdrew on December 26th or 27th, 2016. And then this is our first meeting, was January 20th, 2017. And he has refused to even cooperate or file protective orders. He's refused to even have a cordial conversation, yet he's going to represent me. This is a malicious case. He hasn't even reviewed it. If he reviews the case, he'll see that he shouldn't be treating me like this. It's baffling, it's appalling, and I hope he does get disbarred. That's no threat or anything, but if this is how he's treating me, I wonder how he's treating all of the rest of his clients, because that is way inappropriate, and it's definitely under the clauses of misconduct and misrepresentation. Thank God I recorded, because I've proven myself over and over and over, and then the heinous stuff that they have done. I mean, who would ever believe that you could not talk to your attorney because you don't have your purse or wallet? I mean, would you ever believe somebody if they told you that? I don't think I would have unless there was a recording.